Well, here we are at the end of the year. I've waited a while to do this because I wanted to make sure the Bermuda was completely dormant. We had weather going up and down, but now it's completely dormant and I can show everyone the results going into winter number 2. This will be the first full year of maintaining the Bluemuda in the back lawn. The front lawn was KBG, but then the Bermuda came back, so it's reverse of how I did it back here. And then we have the original test area that is next to my driveway in between my neighbor's house and mine that was seeded with KBG in August of 2019. We're going to take a look, see how all of that's doing. So there you have it, an unobstructed view of the back lawn, the front lawn, and the original test plot. Commentary wasn't really necessary. Now this though was kind of exactly what I was expecting to happen based off of my experiences last year with the original test area. For a little bit though, I thought, wow, this is going to come in really, really well. And the area is down right over here, pretty much everywhere along this bit here that got earlier shade where the Bermuda was thinner, the KBG poked right through. Now I also didn't do much of anything back here this year. It was late summer, early fall was just terrible. Didn't have enough time to spend out here. I transitioned to rotary mowing. That could be a difference because the turf height went up from around 5/8 to 3/4 to about an 1.25 inches, maybe a little bit higher. I did overseed it again this year while I was reel mowing, but that was around the 5/8 height mark. I didn't go down and scalp it or any of that. Didn't want to risk stressing any of the existing KBG that was in there. Should I have done that? Maybe. I didn't though, so that's what we have. But when I started this little journey back in August of 2019, when I attempted, which did work successfully for 1 year of Kentucky bluegrass until the Bermuda came back, but when I started this Bluemuda kind of experiment or experience, whatever you want to call it, I didn't really know where I was going with it, but I do now, and I'm killing it. I can't focus on what I truly love, and that is the Bermuda. I love KBG, don't get me wrong, but Bermuda does best where I am located, and I need to focus 100% on that. So no more trying to appease to kind of have a happy medium between KBG and Bermuda. No, it's going full on Bermuda. It will be killed off. I will use what I use and what I love, and that is Monument to do it. I'm not going to use glyphosate because that will impact the green up, because it won't work too well trying to kill it now, and it'll leave a lot of bare areas, mainly where the pool and the fire pit used to be. Could I have done better? Probably. Could I have done worse? Oh, absolutely I could have. But I need to get back on to what I do best, and that is dominate with Bermuda, to actually put out some really killer Bermuda grass content, because most of it out there is kind of crap. And we're gonna have a playground back here, because killing this KBG out is going to be intensive and will put somewhat of a strain on the Bermuda. That's my plan with the lawn going forward, starting in the spring. So yeah, that's it. Here's my backyard. Looks like crap, but that's okay. It's winter time. The only ones out here are the kids, leaving stuff scattered all over it. So that's it, Mike, Real Low Dad. The Bluemuda's done for, but I'm not. We'll see you again soon.